What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Look at this double black 1970 Chevelle. Beautiful car, sitting on 18-inch custom wheels and tire package. Big block 454, automatic TH 400. A lot of nice upgrades. Let's take a look under the hood first. Big block 454, totally rebuilt. Air conditioning, power disc brakes, power steering. You can see the headers have barely got any stuff on it, so that's good. Real clean underneath there. Nice detailed underneath here. It's got a real good sound. We'll fire it up in a second. Aluminum radiator with dual fans. Keep that big block nice and cool. Black with the white painted on stripes. Hood lines up really nice. Your chrome bumper and badging's fine. All SS'd out. Missing this here. We'll get it put on for you. All your chrome around the lights. All your glass is good. All your panels look real good. The paint lies real thick. Disc brakes. Gap in the door to the fender are good. Get up closer so you can see. And on the bottom, and to the fender, and to the quarter. You can see, hey everybody, roof line is great. You can see all the clouds up in the sky. All your glass on the driver's side is good in rear window. No dents or flaws I see in the paint. I'll get on an angle here. Get down for you. It's got a 12-bolt rear end. Real nice dual exhaust. All SS here. Look at that original quarter here. One quarter's been replaced on this whole entire car, but it's a full, done right. Trunk's in good shape. No stories. Nice, nice, nice. No paint flaws yet that I could see. All your chrome on the passenger side with the sport mirror are good, and so is all your glass. Get off of it a little bit so you can see it. Great stance, just the way it should. Again, body line is good all the way throughout the car. I'm running down it right now, just so you can see. Straight body line. No door dings. Again, straight body line. Paint is real thick. Seat belts in the rear. Seats in good shape. All SS, buckets. Tilt steering wheel. Real clean inside here. See that? No bondo. Very clean in the cavities. Automatic TH 400. Upgraded gauges. I think it shows 73,000 or 75,390. This sucker's. All your gauges seem like they're working correctly. Air conditioning is working. Engine sound. It's a little loose, but let's see what we got. We're located 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Brakes feel good. Open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2. All by appointment only. Grab a pen and I'll give you my number in a minute. We've got over 190 vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. All our pricing and everything, videos and pictures are on our website, MGM Classic Cars. Now let's take this little beauty for a ride. Yeah, let's go. Love Chevelles. I'm sure you all know that if you watch our videos. We've got a lot of them, over 40 in stock. All right, let's see what she's got. Let's wait till this truck goes by real quick. Oh, that was me. Oh yeah, she's kicking. A lot of power. Sorry about that little backfire, but live TV. Let's crank it around. All right, no funky noises. Let's see what she does from the stop. We got special financing up to 180 months with good credit. Giddy up, baby. Goes through the gears great, folks. Whoa, shit. The thing moves. Pardon my French. And we have shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured. Car is tight. No funky noises. Brakes great. This is the way it should be. I mean, granted, they all need something. This one seems to be okay. Hang on now. Let me turn it around. Hang on. Let me turn it around. So if you need anything, quotes on shipping, questions on any of our cars, please contact me at 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. That's 773-600-0919. Check this out. Posi kick in. Oh, this thing's smooth. That's very good. We also have a full service department that's here. I'm going to have over 100 photos of this car online. Go to our website, MGM Classic Cars. Like us on Facebook. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, everybody, for checking out this 1970 double black Chevelle. Give me a call if I can help you out. Thank you, Earl.